Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look in euro currency. So in general market keeps our trading plan valid. So we last week, especially in the three last session of the week, we talked about these confidence support that we have on the daily, and we said that it's crucial to the euro to keep this level, because the breaking of this level, it will be irrational price action for bullish market. So market should not break this level when you trying to estimate the sequence of the swings. Well, the deep retracement currently stands absolutely unnatural, and it should not happen on the market if market is really bullish. That's why this level is extremely important for the market, and particularly for this level we will keep an eye on the next week. So that is the most important thing. So speaking in general, we've got some events that have some importance to the market. So we've got the factory orders in Germany that's actually were poor. We've got the, well, a bit worse than expected non-farm payrolls release, which is more important. The inflation was weaker than expected. We've got some relief on the Middle East crisis. So, but all of them have limited impact on the longer term picture, because the major background for the longer term position of the euro is the balance between the United States and European Union economy. And there are some important driving factors exist that could play the critical role in euro currency rate in the coming year, in this year. So, but currently it is still unclear whether these driving factors will be formed or not. So, and that's why the action of the last week makes limited impact on the high time frames, and mostly makes impact on the daily and intraday charts. So on the daily chart, what we have the reaction. So here is almost the reversal candle, but not quite, because market has closed not above this level. But in general, the overall shape of so-called this, as we could recognize here, some kind of the reversal type of action, because market dive a bit deeper below these lows and then returns right back up. So this is bullish reaction. So as we said, in general, this level is relatively safe for a possibility for taking the position. But the problem on Friday, on Thursday, wasn't really an absence of the bullish reversal patterns. So that was some factors that holds us aside from taking the position. So currently situation stands a bit different. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that market has formed our pattern that we discussed on Friday, shown another minor drop. So recall what we said, that probably market could form here is minor drop. This is kind of the minor washing rinse, and here is clear reversal session has been formed to the upside with the thrusting action. Also we have here, take a look, hidden bullish divergence with the MACD. So in general we have the trading background in place, and we could consider the possible position taken. So for that purpose, we need some minor retracement here for taking the position. So actually, the simplicity of the situation stands in these lows, in the overall situation, overall position of the market, so where the price stands. Because currently, euro has the only one choice. Either it will go to the upside and keep the bullish scenario, or if somehow market will take it out of these lows, it will mean the crash of the bullish context on the daily chart, because daily trend already has turned bullish. But just the one factor keeps euro currency from the downward continuation, from the collapse, is just strong support. At the same time, euro currently has no reasons to drop below these lows, no technical reasons, because all major targets already has been hit. So take a look, this ABCD pattern is completed. Minor ABCD pattern here is also completed. So we do not have any extensions, any targets that stands below the market. And it means that if drop will happen by some reason, that will be not occasionally. So that will be in most probable this will be real breakout and downward continuation. That's why overall situation stands relatively simple for trading. It means that on the hourly chart, what we have, that's our bullish reversal action, because take a look, this recent upward action is greater than the previous swing down. Here, guys, by the way, we have a bit choppy triple free drive buy pattern. So if you put here as the immensity, you probably will get the divergence. I'm mostly sure that stands here. And take a look. Here, first swing up has happened. Now we just could consider the two levels, 11.12, 11.02 area, where you could think about taking the position against these lows. So market should not drop below these lows. So that's relatively simple task and simple setup that we could keep an eye on the coming week. So a minimum target of this upward action stands around 11.43, just because theoretically, as you know, that the 222 pattern treats as a completed if market shows at least 30% pullback of the whole downward action. But it doesn't mean that your currency necessarily has to stop upward action right here. So this is just minimal target. Well, anyway, if we will take a position around 111, so it will be approximately 40, 50 pips, and that's not bad potential for intraday trade. But potentially, I'm not exclude this if really your currency will keep the bullish scenario and will show some acceleration here. Well, in this case, I'm not exclude the chance that market could move to this level or even higher, because in today's research, we have taken a look at the CFTC traders position, and you will see that the net short position has dropped on the euro. So some shorts have been closed or new longs have been opened here, and that's the same story on the Great British Pound as well. So in general, the interest in the euro from the investors become better, and that maybe could support euro in the short term, and maybe its upward action will be a bit stronger than just 11.40 area.